Have you ever wondered what separates successful day traders from those who struggle to make consistent profits? One tool that can help is the MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator. It's a simple way to measure trend and momentum, helping traders spot potential buying and selling opportunities. In this video, you'll learn how to use the MACD indicator for day trading. The MACD has three parts. The first is the MACD line. On many trading platforms it's blue, although the color may vary. This is the faster moving line and reacts quickly as price changes. The second is the signal line. It's often orange, red, or yellow. This line moves more slowly because it's an average of the MACD line. Think of it as the smoother line. The third part is the histogram. Instead of a line, it appears as vertical bars above and below the zero line. Bars above zero show bullish momentum. Bars below zero show bearish momentum. As the bars get taller, momentum is getting stronger. As they get shorter, momentum is slowing down. The easiest way to tell the two lines apart is to watch how they move. The MACD line moves faster, while the signal line moves more smoothly. The main trading signal happens when these two lines cross. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's called a bullish crossover. This suggests buyers may be taking control and could signal a potential long trade. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it's called a bearish crossover. This suggests sellers may be taking control and could signal a potential short trade. Using the MACD is simple. First, add the MACD indicator to your chart. Next, watch for the MACD line to cross above or below the signal line. Then confirm the signal by looking at price action, support and resistance, volume, or the overall market trend before entering a trade. Remember, no indicator is perfect. The MACD works best when it's used with other forms of technical analysis, not by itself. To recap, the MACD includes the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram. Together, they help traders identify changes in trend and momentum, making it easier to spot potential trade opportunities. With practice, the MACD can become a valuable part of your day trading strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.